Here's why I don't belong in the Presentation Guild. Because the Presentation Guild is refined. It's dignified. It's polished. Everyone has their act together. Everyone has their act together. Not me. Hold on. Where's my charger? Let me try this. See, this would never happen in a Presentation Guild presentation. Okay, there we go. Yes, that'll work. So the Presentation Guild, they're refined, but my slides are probably full of errors. Our probably full of errors? It's our. Well, whatever. See, I don't belong in the Presentation Guild because the Presentation Guild they're all wizards at PowerPoint. They're absolute wizards. They know every single feature. They can tell you exactly what you need to do. But I'm over here. Hold on. Why is that not working? I'm over here trying to just figure out how to use my computer. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out how to turn this on. Where would it be? Let's try this. Yes, the control panel. We'll try this big red switch. It's always a big red switch. There we go. So you are all wizards at PowerPoint. And I also don't belong in the Presentation Guild because you will all teach each other how to do proper slide design, the rule of thirds, the golden ratio, whatever it is. Oh, this is getting ridiculous. Where I'm a work in progress over here. Okay, thank you. Yep, it takes a village. So I don't follow proper slide design. Someone else will teach you that. But if you can look past these shortcomings, here is what I can offer you. I can offer you a new approach, challenging your approach to presentations, helping you give more engaging presentations, getting rid of boring PowerPoints. We can do so much better. And how are we doing this? Through the power of story, structure, and yes, surprise. Now, why these three things? Where am I getting that from? This I learned from my experience in content creation, creating videos seen over 5 billion times. It's hard to wrap my mind around that number. And pitching creative ideas to the biggest brands in the world and being a keynote speechwriter, including a TED Talk, which just came out today. So if you'll have me, I'd love to be part of the guild, to learn from you, to serve you and your clients, help you tell more engaging stories and give more engaging presentations. So reach out, say hi. I don't bite. I'd love to talk to you. I hope you'll have me. Oh, those bite. Hold on. Is that on your end too? Let me see if I can get rid of this. Okay, thank you. I've probably wasted enough of your time. Let's see if we can get them. There we go. Okay. Bye. Thanks.